Hello guys. So today a person asked me about converting table data from to JSON. So in Databricks, I have created a script that can convert data from to JSON. For first of all, I have imported necessary libraries. One is a struct type, struct field, integer type. These are used to so as I don't have any dataset ready. Um, I'm creating a data frame by using sample data. You can see here I have created three columns. I have taken three columns: ID, name, age, and provided respective data types for it. And then added some data to those columns and created a data frame. As you can see here, yep, the data frame is ready. And next, here I am using show. That is the reason it is in this kind. I can also use a display also, and, to see the output. Next, here by using this query, uh, df to JSON. So as I said, the previous with by using this data, I have created data frame by using spark.create data frame and store those into df. And now I need to convert this df, which is this tabular data, to JSON. So for that, I am using df dot to JSON, and again I am storing this in JSON RDD, and for that I am using collect. So if I run this, yep, you can see here this is converted to JSON, and now we can load into um, MongoDB with the required data. So the converted data can be loaded to MongoDB, but make sure the converted JSON dataset name to be taken while writing it. So if you see here, I am using a df.write. If I use this, df is in the sense the created data frame, tabular data frame. It will not work. If I use this, it will not work. So I need to use JSON data, which is a final output where while writing. Yep. And we need to provide server is nothing but URI link of Cosmos DB where it contains username, password details. And I am using dbutils.secrets.get. So whatever the confidential information to be stored in secrets, so I have used the dbutils.secrets.co. This server link is stored in the scope and scope credentials. And then after getting the server link through secrets.get, I'm storing it in a connection string. Okay, and then DB name. I'm providing DB name and collection. As you all know, like in MongoDB, um, documents will be stored in collection. All the JSON objects will be stored in documents, and those documents will be stored in collections. So we need to specify collection name, database name, and server link like Cosmos URI. So as you can see here in write command, I've used append mode. If you are using overwrite, it will overwrite the data. So make sure you are using append or overwrite as per the use case. And server name, server is nothing but URI as we discussed previously. And max batch size, this sets a limit for loading a one-time load of size limit. And database name, collection name dot save. That's it. This will save the um, JSON data to desired database collection with the server provided.